Guys, welcome back to another video. Today, Boogie here, and we're gonna review something that's kind of expensive, futuristic, and new. Was able to get the Nike Adapt BB basketball from corporate in Ohio this morning. I made that hour-and-a-half drive to get there. It was first come, first serve. I didn't get the size that I wanted to get, but hopefully these still fit my foot. And I'm just gonna try to do a quick in-depth review for you guys, because I honestly didn't think I would be able to own a self-lacing sneaker, but somehow, some way, we made it possible. So stay tuned. Huge box, as you can see. It does have a handle on top. On the top it says Nike Adapt Earl BB. Nike swoosh has that blue to black gradient. And I believe this is a sleeve on top of the box, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, just a sleeve. Pull out part right here and like another compartment on the bottom. The label says Nike Adapt BB. It's black, reflective silver. Men's 8, women's 9.5. Retail was $350. The color code is 802-582-001. Has a little barcode right there. Has another little scanner code thing right there. I believe you have to download the Nike app too, and I downloaded the Nike Adapt app, and that controls your shoes for you. I don't know how to open this, so it looks like we have both shoes here. Looks like it comes with some shoe horns, or a shoe horn, sorry. You get 2 shoe horns inside of the shoe. Shoe horns as well. Has some plastic like covering on the back of this, plastic covering on the side as well. Looks like we have the charging port for these. There's a charging port. Has a little grip on the bottom, so that way you can put it on any surface and not worried about it being scratched up. Has the Nike logo, 2 rings on it. And then I'm assuming this is the cables for this. And looks like there might be like a book. So we have a Nike Adapt Earl BB. It's just telling you how to use the shoe, how to make it your personal fit, safety information, and then you have the different languages. So it comes with a little booklet as well, and then this is what was underneath the shoes for those wondering. And this is what it looks like on the bottom, and it says Electro Adaptive React Lace. All right, so the shoe is honestly pretty light for it to have what it has in it, I would say. I think Kobe's might be lighter than this. Maybe a Kyrie's might be lighter than this, but overall it's not that bad of a shoe. So your upper is all a knit upper, black and white knit upper, and I'm not sure if it's reflective, but I'm almost positive that it is. It kind of looks reflective. Yeah, so the swoosh definitely is reflective, judging by my camera, and then the back 3 dots, or the 4 dots back there, are reflective. So you have a knit upper, reflective 3M swoosh on the side with the 4 dots. You have a white midsole, the hit of black with the reflective swoosh as well. Clear blue sole. These are probably some pressure point. You have your buttons on the side here, your 2 buttons. Has the Nike back here in the back, medial side, black Nike swoosh, white on the side. Black on the pull tab. It says Earl on the back of the shoe, and then you have the insole as well. That's what the design on the insole looks like, and it just says L for left, and then you have your different colors right there. Probably gonna make part of this video where I have it on foot and I test out how it works and everything. And then I also tell you about the charging pad. So this is the charging pad. Looks like it has a little port on the side right here for you. This bag probably has the charger in it. So try to open that. See? So here's a charger cord. Here's the plug. Alright, so I'm probably going to charge these up for you guys and then do an on-foot video. If you would like to see a more in-depth review on how these work and how you can make them tighter or looser and everything like that, just leave a comment down below. Please give a thumbs up, a like, share, subscribe please. Any and all will help. And like I said, stay tuned for the on-foot. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you.